Hi. I want to talk to you about my dream home. It's a really beautiful place. The front door opens into a big space where there is the kitchen, dining area, and living room. I think it's really nice because when my friends come over, we can all hang out together. The house has a lot of windows, so there's always a lot of natural light, which I really like. In the kitchen, there are really nice appliances that make cooking easy. There's even a big island in the middle of the kitchen that we can use for extra space. In the living room, there's a really comfy couch and a big TV on the wall. I imagine we'd have a lot of movie nights in there. The bedroom in my dream home is my favorite room. It's a really peaceful space to sleep in. We have a big, comfortable bed and lots of storage. The bathroom is connected to the bedroom and has a big shower and 2 sinks. The best part about my dream home is the backyard. There's a really nice swimming pool that we can use to cool off in the summer. I also like to host barbecues in the backyard with my family and friends. I hope someday I can have a home like this. Thanks for listening.